Ah, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wo fídíò tí fẹ́ play fún yín. Ẹ wo fídíò yẹn. Bọ̀ nǹkan tí mo need jù ni pé ẹ bá mi comment tẹ́ bá ti wo fídíò yẹn tán. Ṣé rí, mo mọ̀ pé àwọn àgbàlagbà wà nínú accord community yìí, and I know many other people tó ń jẹ́ elderly person. Wọ́n sì tún máa come across fídíò yìí. Tí olóyè Sunday Igboho bá ń pariwo Yorùbá nation, no, a kàn fẹ́ ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀, a fẹ́ kí ìlú wà òkè kó padà sí bó ṣe wà nígbà yẹn, àti bàbá Bánjí Akíntóyè. So tó ń sọ pé Yorùbá nation, ó ní bí ìlú ṣe wà ń gbà kan, ó ní bí Nàìjíríà ṣe wà, ó ní ẹ̀mọ̀. So ara reason yẹn ni nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ play fún yín yìí. Tẹ́ bá ti wò ó tán, mi fẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ mi pọ̀, ẹ̀yin náà máa rí nǹkan tí mo sọ. Ṣó possible? Ẹ kàn jẹ́ kí n mọ̀, ṣó possible? Ẹ comment, ẹ bá mi subscribe, ẹ dẹ̀ like video yìí, ẹ bá mi share.
A few days ago, I was passing through this inside UI. I was passing through a road, and I saw this farm produce: banana, plantain, pawpaw, and so on. And I felt I needed to buy some of them, but I couldn't find the owner, even though I could see price list attached to each and every one of them. So I started shouting, where is the person? Because I didn't want to drop money so that somebody else will come and pick it. So this morning, I decided to come over, and I found this. And I found the owner. I asked him some questions. That why is he putting price tag? So who are we going to give the money to? He said we should drop the money. And I didn't think this will ever happen in Nigeria of these days. I know it used to happen in those days, but in Nigeria, in UI, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to listen to the owner. Baba, what's your name?
My name is Edward.
Edward, okay. Baba, why do you do this you are doing?
I'm doing it the purpose of my life.
Okay.
To save my life and to eat with my children.
Okay. But are you not afraid that if somebody comes, he can pick any of these products and not drop the money? Or even if he drops the money, another person can come and steal the money away.
And when he steal it away, it's left for him. Whatever he will receive, people will hear from him.
So every time, since the time you have been doing this, has any money been stolen?
No.
So whatever anybody takes, you still find the money
Yes,
there.
I will find inside the money inside my bag when I put the money. Because I've already put the bag here already.
Okay.
I'm sure that whosoever, if you just drop it, where I put my label.
Okay. So, how long have you been doing this?
It's over 4 years now.
4 years. That is very, very interesting. This gives me hope again that Nigeria will be better.
By the grace of God, Nigeria is better, but we are the one doing ourselves. Sir.
Good. How?
Because we know the purpose where we are doing ourselves. This is what someone is using to preserve his life, to save his life. Then we pick it, say, what can you do? Just ask someone, what can you do? Because you will ask him, what have you done? You cannot ask someone, what can you do? That's why we say we are going to Christian, we are die, offering and offering. All these mad people is what they use their heart to do. Is greater more than what people do there. That is the thing when they say. Because this is a proverb now. I put it here for my sake. When I put it, so far I put price, I went to inside the farm to go and work. To seek for another one. But when I come here, someone pick it, whatever happened to him, they will say, so I'm not the one who do it. It's what
he did it himself. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. So reporting from University of Ibadan, near a very small farmland, and this is the owner, Mr. Edward, right?
Yes.
God bless you.